Hello guys, I am Shanmugapriya, lecturer in SNS College of Allied Health Science. Today we are going to continue with the topic cell and its organelles. In the last session, we have already seen about the introduction of cell and two types of organisms under the classification with the number of cells present in the organism, cell theory, and the correlation between the structure and function of cell. And also in the principal parts of cell, we have seen the structure of plasma membrane. So in this session, we will be continuing with the functions of plasma membrane. So the functions of plasma membrane is that it gives shape and structure to the cell. It plays an important role in cell signaling and communication. It regulates the material that enters and leaves the cell. It is selectively permeable membrane. It permits passage of certain substance and restricts the passage of certain substances like oxygen, carbon dioxide, water can easily pass across the cell wall. But iron, sodium and potassium cannot cross easily, so it will bind with the protein and then gets transported. The transportation across this plasma membrane occurs in two ways. They are active transport, another one is passive transport. So active transport is the transportation of substances by the utilization of energy, that is ATP, in the process like primary active transport, secondary active transport, phagocytosis, pinocytosis, endocytosis, exocytosis, and is called as active transport. Passive transport, transportation of substances without utilization of energy, that is by simple diffusion, osmosis, filtration, and these are called as passive transport. Next, we are going with the second most important principal part of cell, that is cytoplasm. Semi-liquid jelly-like substance present in the cell, that is between the plasma membrane and nucleus. It consists of cytosol, organelles, and inclusions. Cytosol, it is a semi-fluid portion in which organelles and inclusions are suspended, also called as intracellular fluid. It contains 75 to 90% of water and remaining are solids. It is a medium in which the metabolic reactions occur. Cytoplasm organelles. So these are the specialized structures that have characteristics, appearance, and specific role in growth, maintenance, repair, and control of cellular activity. It is classified into three types: membranous organelles, cytoplasmic ribonucleic acid, centrosomes, and microtubules and microfilaments. These microtubules and microfilaments are the examples of cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton refers to the structures that hold the particles in the cell. So cyto means cell and skeleton means giving support or fusing it. Cytoplasm inclusions. These are the non-living substance present in the cytoplasm. It is not bounded by any membrane. There are four types: stored food, example glycogen; secretion granules, crystals, example proteins; pigments, example melanin and bile. So the first organelle we are going to see is endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of intracellular membrane. It can be present in the form of hollow tubes, flattened sheets, or round chambers called cisternae. It is connected to the nuclear membrane on one side and to the plasma membrane on the other side. There are two types based on the presence and absence of ribosomes on its surface. The first one is rough endoplasmic reticulum and the second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is the membranes of these endoplasmic reticulum are associated with minute particles of RNA called ribosomes. The presence of ribosomes gives the membrane a rough appearance, and its main function is to synthesize proteins. It also serves as a temporary storage area for newly synthesized molecules. In the next section, we will be continuing with a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you.